Projects in Ganttic. In Ganttic, projects can represent clients, job bids, deliverables, work sites. For simple planning, use tasks as projects. Schedule projects by dragging and dropping them onto the timeline. Use color coding to enhance visual clarity within individual views. For detailed project planning, use projects as containers. This will help you group, organize, and monitor scheduled tasks efficiently. Add color throughout your entire planner for ultimate customization. Color coding can be applied on both task and project level to design custom views. Assign multiple tasks to a previously created project. To outline the work breakdown structure, open a single project view. Choose an already existing project or create a new one. Outline the work breakdown structure by scheduling tasks, but leave them unassigned to be allocated to a suitable resource later. Drafted tasks will appear in the unassigned section for easy allocation. Choose a project management level suitable for your planning needs. Discover more at Ganttic.com.